tracks here in the Maritimes. We're off next weekend, so it's a great time. Another ceremonial flyover courtesy of CFB Greenwood. We'll take it. Had a few of them this afternoon. John's Tire and Towing Paint Truck will bring him around here. They go around one more time, unless he throws the hammer down. Amanda Kirkpatrick, Deals and Heels at Valley Ford going to be waving the green flag here. Just don't drop it. You have to get the yellow one out if you drop it. 6 trucks here for today's racing. How many will be left by the end? We really don't know. But to flip over that feature last time we were here. Black Ross in the 7, 69 is Sean Sanford, AJ Watt in the 12 is Justin Malsher, Chris Marshall, and the 11 of Robin Flint Wright. I think we got a couple Robin Wright fans here. A couple of cheers. Yeah. First time out, he's excited. He's excited. I'm excited. Who's excited to see some racing this afternoon at Valley Raceway? Let him hear it as they come around turn 3 and 4. Back-to-back weeks here at Valley Raceway. We kick it off with the KJ Truck Center. Trucks and Mandas can win by a great flag. And out to start, Brad Cross, not a good start. He falls back to third already. Justin Malsher goes around the 7. AJ Watt with nowhere to go. Sean Sanford gets in front of everyone else. Compared to last weekend when it's still whiskey here in the morning, it's completely dry and going to be a fast track for all the trucks and cars here. Sanford still later to take the middle line. You notice that? Officers is not able to shake that 7 quickly. Brad Cross did not have a great start, but he's still holding speed. Oh, AJ Watt a little sideways. They were working hard on that results in trucks. Sean Sanford still the leader. Justin Malsher is closing in, but don't forget about Brad Cross in the 7. There's a pass to Morgan now. Chris Marshall gets around the 17. Many points to Canada. Soften the load. Oh, hello, Brad Cross. Can he save it? He does. What a save coming in 2. And that's going to take him into contention. Our 2 leaders are going to be coming into the slower truck of Robin Wright. So Robin, first time here at Valley Raceway, hopefully knows the rules to kind of see. That didn't take long, a caution-free truck race. First pile back here after having a daughter. Justin Molson gets checkered flag number 1 here at Valley Raceway. He'll whip that number 12 around here and he'll wave that checkered flag back at you. Once the number 11 of Runt goes around. He's got the checkered flag in hand. Get Justin away as he comes around that number 12 truck. Rick Balser welding on that number 12. Rick was telling me that he has now a legend car. If you're familiar with racing, the smaller coupe-looking cars, styled after the 30 and 40 Fords. Very popular all across North America. So get ready to see one of the Balsers racing at a track outside of Valley Raceway. It's going to be exciting next year. But what a show from the trucks for race number 1. Justin Balser gets it done in race number 1. He'll drop off the checkered flag, and the K&J Truck Center trucks will be out in just a little bit for their second heat this afternoon. Coming up, 8-cylinder action from the Foster's Fire and Safety V8s.